Hey guys, I'm Kevin. I'm the lead mechanic and warehouse manager here at Steambrite. Rotomold is a great plastic. We use it as an industry standard because it's nice and strong, durable, easy to work with, but accidents do happen and even the strongest materials can break. For instance, this machine we had a customer bring in, it accidentally fell out of the back of his truck, busted the casters off. As you can see here, we had some major cracks that we had to repair in order to get this thing to sit right. So we installed this steel plate, put the rivets in, have the casters now attached to this steel plate, and it is attached to the machine, and now it is good and stable.
And you also plastic welded the inside.
Correct, yes.
Is that something?
In order to make sure that it was durable and that the steel was going to stick properly, I had to weld the crack and bring everything even again. And now we've got it almost like new.
Very good.
Thanks, guys.